Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Rockerz headphones. These are wireless headphones that have been making waves in the audio industry. I recently got my hands on a pair of these headphones and I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on the Rockerz headphones and whether they're worth the investment. Right out of the box, I was impressed with the sleek design of the headphones. They're lightweight and comfortable to wear, which is important if you plan on using them for extended periods of time. Sound quality. Let's talk about the most important aspect of any headphones, the sound quality. I have to say, I was blown away by the sound quality of the Rockerz headphones. The bass is powerful without being overwhelming, and the mids and highs are clear and crisp. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or playing games, these headphones deliver a great audio experience. Connectivity. The Rockerz headphones are also very easy to connect to your device. They use Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which means you can connect them to any Bluetooth-enabled device within seconds. I didn't experience any lag or connectivity issues while using these headphones, which is a big plus. Battery life. Another great feature of the Rockerz headphones is the battery life. With a full charge, you can get up to 30 hours of playback time. That means you can use these headphones for an entire day without having to worry about charging them. Plus, they have fast charging capabilities, so you can get up to 10 hours of playback time with just 10 minutes of charging. Final thoughts. Overall, I think the Rockerz headphones are an excellent investment for anyone looking for a high-quality pair of wireless headphones. They offer great sound quality, easy connectivity, long battery life, and a sleek design. Whether you're a music lover, a gamer, or just someone who wants to enjoy audio without being tethered to their device, these headphones are definitely worth considering.